How to know who viewed your featured collection on Facebook. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login, and Delete. So if you have posted featured collection on Facebook and you want to know who viewed them, so here is how to do so. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. So now once inside the Facebook, all you have to do is go to your profile, basically your main feed. So now, once on your profile, all you have to do is scroll down to your featured collection section, usually under your profile information. Simply scroll down and all you have to do is tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see the number of views available on your featured collection by the eye icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now all you have to do is scroll up the eye icon and here you will get to see all the viewers who has viewed your featured collection. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.